This standard touches on a couple of ideas that are located within your 8th grade learning standards. One, it causes us to evaluate the advantages and disadvantages of using different mediums, or print and digital text, video, multimedia. Those are required. Those are defined as different mediums to present a particular topic or idea. In addition to that evaluation, we can analyze a case in which 2 or more texts provide conflicting information on the same topic and identify where the texts disagree on matters of fact or interpretation. So let's break that down a little bit. So what does that mean? Being able to present both sides of an argument with reliable information. So we've been talking quite a bit about credible sources in class. And what we need to make sure that we are understanding of is that as we present ourselves with text, it's important to understand all of the different viewpoints. If you think back to the anchors that we've been participating in with the different interviews, this is a really good example. One person may say something and answer a question, while the other person, who has a different perspective, maybe asks the same question but has a different answer. As consumers of text, especially informational text, it's really important that we understand these different viewpoints and also use this to develop our own conclusions. So what does this typically look like? It means that looking at both sides of something like an argument but favoring your own. As we develop interest in these viewpoints and we break down what these viewpoints have in text, then we can start formulating our own thinking. What do I always say that I want you to walk away doing in class? Before you go to high school, I want you to be able to think thoughts. Not somebody else's, not what the internet tells you, but your own. And a path in order to do this is that we have to look at different perspectives, not just settling on one different perspective or settling on one text to read as 100% truth. It's important that we as consumers evaluate different viewpoints so we get an understanding of everything in consideration to that actual point of view.